Alright, well today we're going to try to put some sway bar bushings in. We're going to try to take the stabilizer links off and not break them, so I don't want to buy new ones. And I'm in good hopes these are the right ones. There's two different options for these. Since this is the V6, I got this smaller sway bar. I doubt it has a pretty thick sway bar on it. It's not really a performance car. Alright, we got the sway bar out. We have a little bit of problems with this bolt stuck in the frame. It was just spinning. We just kept hitting it with the impact until with a pry bar in there until it came out. I don't know what we're gonna do about getting new clips for inside the frame. Might have to go to the Ford dealer, but gonna clean up the sway bar with some brake clean and scuff it up and spray it, and then put the new bushings on and put it back in. Try to figure out how we're going to get this bolt back in the frame at some point. Alright, well when I was taking out the sway bar, I ended up breaking this clip, and I had to scour the internet to find new ones, but luckily on the forums I found a part number and found these ones. I got 4 of them off of allfordparts.com. Took like a week to get them in. So we're going to install these 4 new ones, and then I got the sway bar painted. I got the bushings on it today, and we're going to...
Hey!
Oh, it's Jordan. He's finally back.
I'm back.
What's up?
Not much, man. What are you doing? You're filming without me.
We're gonna put the sway bar back in and fix the stuff I broke and all that good stuff.
He breaks things constantly, but we're here to help. You guys can watch. Let's get to it.